Now, Mr. Ricky is in shelter 1. He will make a fire. We are here in substation 2. Okay. We are here in substation 2. So, we will wait for the fire activation in shelter 1. So you will see that there is a fire signal in substation 2, but you will hear only buzzer. But you will see that there is a fire here, fire signal, and there is a fire in shelter 1, MS1, P2, L101, MCP. And here, even we reset the panel here, we cannot reset the alarm. Okay? We cannot reset the alarm here because only the main fire alarm panel and the local fire panel building will authorize to reset and silence. But here, in other remote panel, only you will hear buzzer, you cannot reset. Even you try to reset, you cannot. You are not authorized to reset except for the main panel and the building which is the fire is activated. So thank you so much.